Basically, what you realize is that you're not in control. No matter how much you think you're in control, you're not in control. When God talks, you gotta listen. And in this case, I honestly feel like God basically told me to sit down. When you're moving too fast and you're doing too much, sometimes you can't see the things that you're meant to see. I see things differently. I see life from a whole new perspective. And my appreciation for life is through the roof. I'm thankful for my family, my friends. I'm thankful for the people that simply ride with me and have been with me because you stood by me.